The window has been taped on the frame and the film side to the 3/8 of an inch spec. We're using the taping tool as a guide. You can see the arrow gives you the orientation. That can be inserted right into the gap to provide a gauge to make sure your gap and distance is correct. So you'll notice the volume nozzle is actually cut straight and flat, no angle. It'll be inserted directly into the void at a 90-degree angle, and as the caulk is pumped out of the gun, we'll maintain that distance and we'll keep it even between the tape, making full contact with the frame and the film as we go, looking for a little bit of the material to be pushing out in front of the nozzle as we go. In effect, the tool or the nozzle will be used sort of as a spatula. So the IPA has been applied to the frame, and now I'm going to use the right-handed sealant applicator tool, and we're going to use this so that it is oriented with the narrow flat part against the glass and film. The wide part will be on the frame side. So I'll start in the corner like so. Both surfaces mating firmly against both the frame and the film or glass side. Once they're solidly mated firmly in those positions, I can just start sliding. Coming into the corner, once my tool hits the corner, now I'm going to rotate it on its axis here at 90 degrees. Rotate up 90. From that position, go into the corner. Keep this surface tight against the glass. I'm in the corner, and then proceed.